Welcome to .NET Core Insights. Let's see. The most asked top 10 interview questions of .NET Core. What is .NET Core, and how is it different from .NET Framework? .NET Core is a cross-platform framework that can be used to build apps that run on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. .NET Core supports multiple programming languages, including C#, F#, and Visual Basic. It provides runtime libraries and development tools for building and running .NET applications, including web, desktop, and console applications. How it differs from .NET Framework is, .NET Framework is limited only to Windows OS, whereas .NET Core build apps that run on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. .NET Framework is proprietary. .NET Core is open source. .NET Framework provides only less security features due to its extensive libraries. Meanwhile, .NET Core provides excellent security features due to its smaller surface area and cross-platform compatibility. .NET Framework is less effective in terms of performance because it does not support the creation or deployment of microservices, whereas .NET Core provides improved performance and better support for containerization. As a Windows-only framework, the .NET Framework does not support mobile development, making this framework very inflexible for the needs of today's applications. Whereas .NET Core supports mobile apps, particularly given the shared connection or compatibility with Xamarin and other open-source platforms. Question 2. What are the key features of .NET Core? Improved collaboration and cross-platform support. Modular architecture with NuGet packages. Security advantages. Microservices and container support, and inbuilt dependency injection support. Question 3. What is dependency injection in .NET Core? Dependency injection is an excellent technique for reducing interdependency between software components. It is a design pattern that allows for loosely linked applications. The purpose of dependency injection is to make code more manageable. Question 4. What are the different lifetimes of services in .NET Core dependency injection? Add singleton, an instance of the service, is created for the lifetime of the application. Add scoped. Scope services are created once per client request and are disposed of when the request ends. Add transient. The transient services is created each time they are requested and are not shared across different requests or components. Question 5. What is the difference between IServiceCollection and IServiceProvider in .NET Core? IServiceCollection is used to register dependencies in the DI container. IServiceProvider is used to resolve dependencies at runtime. Question 6. How is configuration handled in .NET Core? Configuration is managed using the app settings, JSON file, environment variables, and command line arguments. iConfiguration interface is used to read configuration values. Question 7. What is middleware in .NET Core, and how does it work? Middleware are software components in the request pipeline that handle requests and responses. Each middleware component processes the request and decides whether to pass it to the next component or not. Example: authentication, exception handling. Question 8. What is the difference between app.use and app.run? App.use allows chaining multiple middleware components. App.run acts as a terminal middleware and does not call the next middleware. Question 9. How do you handle exceptions globally in .NET Core? Using the exception handling middleware. Using a custom middleware for global exception handling. Moving to last question. What is Kestrel in .NET Core? Kestrel is the default web server in ASP.NET Core. It is lightweight, fast, and cross-platform. It can be used standalone or behind a reverse proxy like IIS. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please do like, share, and subscribe .NET Core Insights.